It's not the night I was expecting to have last night. Got the old Ranger out to the rescue. See what happens. Today's a new day. Welcome back to the channel. We're back out in the little modern buggy 12LRK. Got myself and Ashley shake and bake sitting here tagging along with us this week. Got Dutchy boy as usual, growing like a leaf. Gonna catch up on a few chores in this video, do some things I've been wanting to get done. So this Predator 3500 generator, I did an oil change the first hour, then I did one at 3 hours, and I ran it last night, and now I have 11 hours on it. So I think the factory is supposed to do one at 10 hours and then 30 hours. So I did one at 1 hour, did one at 3 hours, did one now technically at 11 hours. Now I'm going to put it in full synthetic 10W30, which is what it calls for SAE 10W30. So now I'm going to run from this point synthetic. This will be the third oil change. I've still got a little bit of shavings, but it looks a lot better. And the next recommended oil change I think is at 30 hours. So just keeping up with this little Predator, man. I've heard if you take care of it, it will take care of you. So it's perfect for this little teardrop camper here. I was talking to a guy today on Facebook about powering the camper if anybody runs a generator, and I do. When it gets muggy hot in southern Indiana here and the humidity's so high, we'll run the air conditioner at night, so just to cool it down. But oil change number 3 is underway on the camping trip. One thing I like to do when we're out camping like this, I like to take a walk. So I do a bare minimum of 10,000 steps every day. And since January 1st, 2024, I have never missed a day. And I ain't fixing to start today, honey. So I'm right at about 7,300 steps for the day, something like that. So I'm gonna get out and snuck away from the camp for a minute, left Dutch with Ashley. My little girl just showed up. Her and her boyfriend brought the folders over. So they're gonna hang out for a while. Fired up the grill again for them. We just ate some brats for lunch. They're getting ready to have a snack, but there's a little spot I like to go down here. This is our private property that we've got, our farm. And I like to go down here by the creek and just take a minute, just take it all in, self-reflect. And the older you get, you realize how valuable time is. And just take a minute and reflect on your life and where you're at, and just a good weekend to be camping. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, those turkeys, bud. Well, just got home from the trip this morning. Got the little buggy parked in the yard. We just had a bad storm just hit. And trying to walk out here, look at the damage. It's across the road. Yeah. Tree just went down in our yard. Went across the road here. It's across the road. Oh. Smashed my picnic table. And trampoline, I don't know how it's survived every year, but it never goes anywhere. So yep, we lost half of this dude. Clark County's already on the scene. It looks like my little camper, my big camper survived. It's parked down there in the other part of my property. Not good. Not good at all. That tree barely missed. Look at how close it came to that building. Holy smoke. Is Anthony's tree still standing? Got the old Ranger out to the rescue. That would be the power outage that we're dealing with. Yep. Somewhere on the other side of that tree is a road. Oh man, it's not the night I was expecting to have last night. And luckily these trees didn't go down on my house. It was all the way across the road here earlier. What a mess. Let's see what happens. Today's a new day.